Hello everyone, myself Deepak Upadhyay from Impulse Technology, Gurgaon, Delhi. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the spin-orbit coupling relativistic effect of gold crystal structure by using Nanodical software. So let's get started. This is my device studio, that is a graphical user interface for this Nanodical software, and this interface will help you to model the structure. You can do some modification, manipulation in your atomic structure, crystal structure, device structure as well. So first I would like to import the gold atoms from my local database. So for this you can click on this file option, go to the import, select this import local, and here you can see this is the material database that exists inside this software, where you can see 0D material, 1D material, 2D material, 3D material, and some organic material is there. So for gold you can select this 3D material, select this conductor, pure metals, and here you can see this is the gold. You can select and then you can click on this open. So this is the gold atom that I have imported from my local database, and if you want to simulate this gold, so you can click on this simulator, select this Nanodical, go to the self consistent field calculation. This is the SCF parameter, where you can see this is the basic setting: electron temperature, cutoff energy, exchange correlation, LDA, GGA. This is the K-point sampling. This is the iteration control, density matrix, Hamilton matrix, total energy, and this is the basic settings: arrangement by element by atoms, and this is the Howard atoms, and this is the spin tonics application. Suppose if you want to include the collinear spin, general spin. So first I would like to simulate without a spin. Then you can click on this generate file. So once you click on the generate file, in the project window you can see the scf.input file for this gold has been generated. So you can select this scf.input file, right click, select this open with, and this is the script for this gold atom, where you can see what parameter we have defined. This is the basic setting: electron temperature, cutoff energy, exchange correlation function, K-point sampling. Here you can see no spin is included. This is the iteration control. This is the basic settings, atom and their Cartesian coordinate point. So you can select this scf.input file, right click, select this run option, and suppose if you want to run this job on parallel, suppose 5 core, 10 core, 15 core, so there is no limitation of core. You can define up to 128 core. Then you can click on this run option to run this job. In the job manager you can see the scf.input file is in the running condition. In the meantime you can select this simulator, go to the Nanodical, select this analysis, and this is the analysis parameter. So as per your need you can define the parameter, and then you can click on this generate file. So I would like to select this band structure, and here you can see this is the symmetry K point and this is the Brillouin zone path. Then you can click on this generate file. Similarly you can run this band structure.input file, and for the spin orbit coupling you can copy this project, and here you can rename this, and then you can click on this OK. So you can select this project, and then you can click on this simulator, go to the Nanodical, and here you can select this self consistent field calculation. Here you can define the same parameter as you have defined during the gold atoms, only you can include the spin. So in the spin type you can select this general spin, and here you can see this is the spin orbital interaction. So you can copy this checkbox, and also you can include the spin polarization 0.01, and then you can click on this generate file. So this is the script for this project. So you can select this scf.input file, right click, select this open with, and here you can see general spin is included, and this is the value of spin polarization. Again you can run this scf.input file and go to the simulator, select this Nanodical. So again you can click on this simulator, select this Nanodical, go to the analysis, and this is the analysis parameter. So I would like to select this band structure, and then you can click on this generate file. So similarly you can run this band structure.input file, and in the job manager you can see all the input calculation is in the running condition. Like when this scf.input file will finish, then band structure will start automatically. So you can wait until the calculation finished. In the job manager you can see all the calculation has been finished and their output has been generated. So this band structure.xml file is without any spin, and this band structure.xml file is with general spin. So you can select this band structure.xml file, right click, select this show view, and this band structure is without any spin. Again you can select this band structure.xml file, right click, select this show view, and this is the band structure where general spin is included. So here you can see this is the conduction band, this is the valence band, and this is the Fermi energy. Like where you want to show the Fermi energy, middle of the band gap, top of the valence band, bottom of the conduction band. So thank you for watching the video.